Sometimes cool ideas find us by themselves. That's exactly what happened to Alex. He used to develop software, then immediately localized it into several languages. He knew a couple of translators, and they helped him do it. But the project was developing, until one day there were more languages, and Alex had to constantly look for new translators to localize 2 to 3 lines into a new language. Can you imagine how much time and effort it took? And then his friends started asking him for help with translations. I don't want to waste time negotiating with translators, Alex realized. I want to write code. Yes, if quality is important, you can't replace a professional translator, but you can automate the process. So Alex came up with Nitro, an online live translation service. The principle is simple. You insert your text and comments to it, select the desired languages, and submit the order. The text is sent to professional native-speaking translators, and ready-made translations are sent to your email and added to your personal account. All this can be done simply by using the API. There are no minimum order requirements in Nitro, and every second translation is ready within 2 hours. Nitro is great for translating any text, and now it's a cool product that Alex himself, his friends, and colleagues use on a regular basis. By the way, let me introduce you.
Hi, I created Nitro so that you can translate texts fast and easy. I hope you will love Nitro as much as I do. Follow the link and send the texts you need to be translated. And by the way, I translated these texts through Nitro too.